Still trying to read 30 pages the night before the test? No. You're gonna study like a hacker now. I'm not reading more. I'm asking better. And ChatGPT is my co-pilot. This is how you flip the game, with 3 prompts in 10 minutes. Step 1. Feed the system. Copy that beast. Paste it into ChatGPT. Then hit it with, summarize this in 5 bullet points for a high school student. Keep it simple. Now you got the core. No extra fluff. Step 2. Generate questions that actually make you think. Now say, give me 3 smart questions that help me understand this chapter better. Like I'm prepping for a debate. Now you're not just reading. You're processing. You're questioning. That's what makes it stick. Step 3. Turn it into your voice. Now say, write a 100-word summary in my tone, like I'm explaining it to my best friend. Read that once, you'll remember it way longer than reading 5 pages of textbook lingo. Why this works? Because your brain doesn't learn from repetition. It learns from compression plus emotion plus ownership. This method hits all 3. You shrink the content down to 5 key points. You trigger emotion with questions. You claim it by putting it in your own voice. No AI can make you smart, but AI can make your path to smart stupidly fast. Try it right now. Take your hardest chapter, copy, paste, ask those 3 prompts, then come back and tell me, did you just learn more in 10 minutes than you did all week? That's the hacker way. That's the lazy but smart way. Now go ace that thing. Subscribe for more lazy but genius study hacks.